In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages in Figma. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then sign in so you can access your files. You can follow along in either the web app or the desktop app. The interface and actions are the same, so use whichever you prefer. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your recent files and teams. Next, click on All Projects. This takes you to a broader view of your workspace, making it easy to find exactly where your file lives. Think of this as your library view. It organizes everything across teams, projects, and drafts, which is handy if you work on multiple products or clients. Now, select the project you want to work in and click to open it. Inside the project, locate the file that contains the page or frame you plan to duplicate, then open that file. If you have a lot of files, the thumbnail previews and names will help you quickly spot the right one. Inside the file, decide whether you're duplicating a page or a frame. Pages appear in the left sidebar. They're like sections that hold multiple frames or flows. Frames sit on the canvas. They're your artboards, screens, or layouts. To select a page, click it in the left sidebar so it's active. To select a frame, click the frame on the canvas. If you're not sure you've selected the frame itself, check the layer list on the left and make sure the highlight is on the frame, not a nested element. With your page or frame selected, click, hold, and press the Alt key. On a Mac, this is labeled Option, then drag it to the left or right. As you drag, you'll see a duplicate appear. Release your mouse or trackpad to drop the copy into place. This action keeps the original intact and creates a perfect replica, including layers, constraints, and styles. If you're duplicating a frame, Figma's smart guides will help you align the new copy so your layout stays neat. If you change your mind mid-drag, just press Escape to cancel. After the duplicate is created, rename it right away so you stay organized. For pages, click the page name in the sidebar to rename. For frames, double-click the frame name at the top left of the frame or in the Layers panel. Clear names make handoff and collaboration smoother and help you track iterations. That's it. Open Figma, go to All Projects, enter your project, select your page or frame, then Alt or Option drag to duplicate. Simple, precise, and fast.